Are you struggling to apply for or update your PAN card? Confused about the new PAN card 2.0 procedure? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Watch this step-by-step guide and simplify your 2.0 application process today. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. At Sai e-filing services, we make your tax filing journey easier. If you need help with PAN updates, TAN applications, or TDS filings, just give us a call at 9980989407. And before we dive into the process, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updates on all things finance. Let's get started with how to apply for PAN 2.0. Here's the step-by-step guide. Step 1. Prepare the required documents. You'll need the following: your existing PAN number, the mobile number or email ID linked to your Aadhaar. Step 2. Visit the official website. Head over to onlineservices.nstl.com. Step 3. Fill in your details. Enter your PAN number, Aadhaar number and your month and year of birth. Don't forget to check the instructions and charges on right side of the page. For delivery within India, 50 rupees. For delivery outside India, 959 rupees. Step 4. Confirm and submit. After reviewing your details, select the OTP option for verification. Choose to receive the OTP on your mobile number, email ID or both. Enter the OTP and proceed. Step 5. Make the payment. You will be redirected to the payment gateway. Complete the payment using your preferred mode. Step 6. Acknowledgment and delivery. After payment, you will receive an acknowledgement. Your updated PAN 2.0 card will be delivered to your registered address within 10 days. That's it. Applying for PAN 2.0 is that simple. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And for expert assistance with the PAN corrections, TAN applications or TDS filings, contact Sai Filing Services at 9980989407. See you in the next video. Click the bell icon now so you don't miss any updates on tax filing tips and guides. Until next time, stay informed and stress free.